Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that in your Reverso context app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it here. So then you come to next, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to display of red words. Click here in this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for adjustment here, display of red words enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.